Hi, my name is Jodie Johnson and welcome to Tonic Studios. Look at my perfume bottles. They're beautiful, they really are. We've got that variety. We have got that variety. And we've also got this one here as well. They are a beautiful collection of boxes, all practical. They've all got the little locking mechanisms on that you can open them up, and you can see that you've got the little bottom there so you can put stuff in, and then you can lock it back up using those little locks going all the way around there. Okay, so you've got your 3 different varieties in here. So what you're getting is you're getting this die set here. So this is going to make this large one, because you can see the large sides there. So you're going to get all these ones. This is your Alluring perfume. And this one here, I'm going to turn that one round. So that one there is your beautiful Essence. And then you've also got this one here, which is your Glowing Aroma. Okay, so they're your 3 different varieties in that collection. And once again, Tonic have made it easy. They've made it extremely easy for you to make these beautiful boxes. So for the base of your box, we're going to make this one here, okay? Because the principles for all 3 of them are exactly the same. So for your base, you need to cut 3 of that die there. And all you're going to do is you're going to take your adhesive, you're going to place one over the top of the other, and you're going to build up that whole base shape. Okay, with them folding very much like a concertina, okay, because that is going to come up and that is going to come out. Okay, and this is where your lid sticks. So let's go ahead, and we're going to work one layer at a time. So tape off. Well, let's just fold my glue tabs. I should have folded those first. And let's go round now and stick all these little bits together. So start with the bottom tier, as I say, because then everything you know is level, it's all lined up before you do the rest. And this is going to give you your plinth onto which your lid is going to sit. So last one coming up in a minute. Just taking all that tape off of there. Make sure that they're all folded, and then place that one into there. And this one into here, and then this one into there. So now let's just unhook that. It's got itself stuck. You can see how that's given us that little plinth at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to come up to the next level, and we're going to work our way around the next level. So this is the sort of the middly bit. Yeah, let's just do that because it's come unstuck. There we go. And we're bringing in that next level of tabs all in the middle. So carry on working. Best weight of card, 240 GSM. Because that's really going to hold its shape perfectly for you. And last one coming up here. I think it's the studio lights because the tape is not wanting to stick. So we've now got that bottom segment. So let's come up to the top. And this is going to give you the base onto which the lid is going to go. It's a lovely little pot in its own right, yeah? If you just want to use the bottom of this, why not? So next one into there. Just going to go all the way around. Oh, like so, getting rid of all this high tack as we go, and that one onto there. So that now is the bottom of your actual design. Now the top bit, you have got the finial and the side panels. Okay, I like to do the finial first. So it's just a case of sticking those two together, make sure that they're nice and level. And then this side here is going to come around and sit. So you've very much like got your circus top. We're now going to come in and stick your side tabs into that. I want to let you into a secret in a bit as well. So let's just bring those ones in. So you can see now how you're getting that lovely design for the top of your perfume bottle. All the way around there. Bending each and every one. It's got like a sort of diagonal curve down to give you that faux diamond shape on the top. So it looks as if it's like a proper cut diamond on the top. Like so. The last one. Just going to sneak. Come on, let's have you, Mr. Tape. Taking that off of there. And that's just going to sneak it into there. So now you've got, looks good, doesn't it? Little diamond shape for the top of your box. These are your side panels. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick those three together. So 2. 3, and now we're going to connect it to the top of this. Okay, so I'm just going to take all my carrier sheets off there, because I'm going to stick my finger in the inside so that I'm actually pushing against my finger to put my panels on. So I'm going to put my finger on the inside. And now I'm going to come round and I'm going to align the first one. And once I've got the first one done, everything else is going to follow suit. Okay, so I'm going to just put my score lines in. And now everything else is going to follow around on that same line all the way around. Oh, like so. Let's take that tape off of there, because we're going to take that one in. Oh, there's a cheeky Charlie hanging about there. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to bring that in, level that one up so that that's level, and then come back in with my finger on the inside. So you've got the top. Looks a bit like a Astroglide. Can you remember the Astroglides as kids? I used to go down, all the way down. It was brilliant. So we've got the base. We've got the little tabs now that close our box. So if you put the lid on, okay, take the little locks, push them through, grab hold of them and then push them to the box. I've got my high tack on them already, look. And that way you know that your locks are in the right place for your lid to sit, okay? It's just a cheats way of putting those pieces in. Let's get the last one in here as well. So this one is going to go in there. Get rid of that high tack. Place it in through the hole. Make sure your lid is level and just push it down. And that there is your beautiful perfume bottle, but you've got the other varieties as well that you can choose to make, and they are so easy. So join us on our Instagram page and share all your inspiration. But for everybody out there that says, Jodie, you make it look so easy, I don't know how you put those boxes together, that's the first time I've made that one. So if I can do it live on this video, you can do it at home, because that's my first one. See you later.